Nature's beauty speaks to us. But are we really able to understand her? Every day, we seem to suffocate nature's requests of love, burying them under piles of unecological choices. What if we could give nature the chance to put on paper what she feels? To let nature speak for herself, we created an interpreter. We started with a clean sheet, teaching an AI the human language closest to nature's, poetry. For months, the algorithm of the artificial intelligence was fed with more than 60,000 lines of human poetry. Then we were ready to listen. We collected nature's message through environmental data from the most beautiful naturalistic areas of Spain. The weather condition, the location area, and the quantity of light told us of the moods and the feelings of nature, inspiring our AI with some poems.
Aquí vienen los cantos que el prado ofrecía, sobre la vida, sobre el olvido. ¿Y ahora? ¿Quién los pisa?
For 1 month, nature spoke to us, creating the first editorial plan written by her, and her message was spread to all the most important cities of Spain. Nature speaks to us every day, in the most poetic way. Let's get this love down on paper with our eco-sustainable choices.